pa rin.
Gano'n pa rin kami.
Oh.
Here we go, partner. This is
The Battle of Undefeated.
The Battle of Undefeated.
Yes.
Joji Pakamalan versus Welkent Pukdol. Both of them undefeated. Si Joji has 2 wins with 1 KO. Itong si Welkent Pukdol has 3 wins with 2 KOs.
Isa sa Pakamalan na brothers na lalaban sa araw na to.
Alam mo, partner, itong Legal na Kamao at DMC, yan yung dalawang promotions na nandito sa Luzon, ano? So, maganda rin na nakikita natin yung iba-ibang promotions din dito sa Luzon na nagkakatagisan ng galing, no?
Both of these fighters are very heavy-handed na mga fighter, mga bata, agresibo. Alam ko the last time that Joji Pakamalan did fought, nanalo siya by knockout also doon sa Angono Rizal yata yun. Pakamalan is trying to target the body of Pukdol.
2 of Joji Pakamalan's wins, one is against Aaron Gaspar, no? Yung isa naman is against Eddie Alcoba Jr.
Sinasabi ko lang nagkakaroon ng konting technical difficulties at sana hopefully makabalik na sa air
Yes,
ang laban na to kasi maraming naghihintay ng matchup na to.
Please keep the comment section respectful, no? Kahit ano naman kasing pagmumura natin sa signal ng internet, hindi naman yan babalik. And kung sana nandito kayo live, ano, baka gusto nyo rin pumunta yung mga malapit lang, punta kayo live. Kasi medyo we're having some technical difficulties. So pasensya na sa inyo. Ito namang
Saka libre naman to. Libre to eh. I mean, why, 'di ba?
oo. So, hindi, malay natin, baka nagbayad pala sila, no? Hindi, pero kidding aside, please bear with us, ano? Especially, this is coming to you for free. It's not like you have to pay for it. So, there you have it. A late reaction that a right hand of Joji Pakamalan sent Welkent Pukdol down the canvas. Grabe, no, partner. Umabot na tayo sa age na inaaway ng tao pati yung signal ng internet. You know, guys, these are things that we can't control. So, again, apologies to all of you, but yeah, this is beyond our control. And papakita naman namin to again, recorded after this fight, ano. So, patience lang po sa inyong lahat na nasa inyong tahanan at nanonood ng libre sa Elorde TV. Grabe, ang lakas ng suntok ni Joji Pakamalan. Kasing lakas ng entitlement ng mga nanonood sa atin na minumura tayo para sa panonood ng libre sa Elorde TV.
Okay, palapakan po natin si Pugdon for a quick recovery.
Yes, this fight ended with a KO win for Joji Pakamalan against Wilkent Pukdol. Alam mo partner, pag ang magaling natatapat sa magaling, unahan lang talaga yan eh.
And ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 2 minutes and 59 seconds of the very first round. Winner by knockout, Joji Pakamalan.
Joji Pakamalan winning by a first round knockout.